Hi, it's Dasnia. Welcome to Shelly's Kitchen and Dasnia's Cuisine. Today we are going to be making halal chicken wings, and I assure you they are delicious. First off, I got this halal chicken wing from ShopRite. It cost $8.86. There's about, there's 10 chicken wings in here. First thing you want to do is cut up the package, and we've been seasoning everything right here in this package, and it's already pre-washed, so we don't have to worry about that. Also, I know it's halal because it says it right here, halal chicken. And I'm already seeing right here, there's a feather right here. And obviously I don't want to eat that, so I'm going to try to pick it out myself. And my hands are washed, by the way. So as you can see here, there's a little bit of a wet layer on top of the chicken. I grab a paper towel and I soak it in the chicken. And I press on it pretty firmly, because if you season everything on top of a wet layer, then it's not really going to go into the chicken. I'm kind of squeezing it too. We gotta get the other side too. So there's this little white sheet here. I'm gonna try and take that out. Yeah, I don't know what that is. All right, so now I'm gonna flip this over. The other side does look pretty disgusting. So I'm gonna put it on again. You wanna try to clean up the blood too. See, there's a little bit of blood here. So we're using a lot of spices here, but of course, use what you have, use what you want. The spices I'm using today are basil, rosemary, black pepper, salt, some chili flakes, ginger, I don't know how to say this, Bayou Cajun, the garlic powder, onion powder, oregano, curry powder, Badia Seasoning, complete seasoning. I was reading the Spanish. And then we also have paprika, the red kind. And lastly, parsley. Oh, I've got here some gloves. We have this air fryer here. I think it's a 7-quart air fryer. This is actually my mom's recipe, and I'm just cooking it up today. This is Gourmia, which is the brand and her name. She's very pretty and hardworking. So I'm gonna wash my hands. So now I'm gonna put the gloves on, and we're gonna put a lot on this one plate. It's gonna look like it's too much, but we're gonna use that same amount to cover both sides of the chicken. So just trust the process. By the way, if you always tend to sneeze a lot when you're doing your seasoning, just put your mask on. It helps a lot. I'm gonna start with the salt. Oil on in the beginning or the end, or whenever you want, but this right here is vegetable oil. So I'm just gonna rub it in with the gloves. Really, I need to get it on the other side. I mean, look at that, right? So what I do is I take it from these front piece chickens and put it on the back. I also just rub it in like this. You want to get it everywhere, because whatever piece it's not on, well, that piece is not going to have any flavor. Don't forget this little leg here. Hello, how are you? I'm good. How are you? That is called seasoning. They're all looking pretty much the same now. I've got 2 limes here. Lime, lemon, doesn't matter. And since I have gloves on, it's not even gonna burn my hand, which is great, because I have eczema. It's funny. As you can see, I've only put it on the top layer. So now I'm just gonna very quickly mix it in so that the lemon juice goes everywhere. If you want to let it marinate for 30 minutes, an hour, you can. It's just I'm lazy and I really want to eat this as soon as possible. So that's why I'm going to put it in the air fryer right now. Just take off 1 glove. This is how big it is. So I'm going to put them in one by one. This is a pretty big air fryer, so I'm lucky that I can put them in all at once. If that's not your situation, just split it up. So now I'm gonna pop it in just like that. No more oil, no more seasoning, nothing. She's gonna help me cook on the wings section with preheat and turn 400 degrees for 30 minutes. And after 15 minutes have passed, we're gonna flip them all over with this right here, my little tongs, so that each side is cooked evenly. So you can see here, there's 21 minutes left. This is looking pretty good, golden brown. So I'm actually gonna flip them right now. All right, so now I'm gonna pop it right back in. Start. I just took it out of the air fryer with 5 minutes left. As you can see, I put it on a cooling rack. Now, it's looking pretty golden brown and crunchy, but it's time to add the barbecue sauce. Now, we've taken some free ones from KFC, and we have this little silicone brush here. Dip it in the brush like this, and then I'm just gonna paint it on. We're gonna do this first side and then flip it over. All right, so there's 5 minutes, 45 seconds left, and hit start. They're ready! Ooh, looking good. A little too burnt, but good. Ooh. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and enjoy your delicious wings. Bye!